Hello 6th standard students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learning history lesson number 3rd, the Harappan civilization. In this lesson we have to learn the points Harappan civilization, housing and town planning, seals and pots, the Great Bath, life in the Harappan civilization, trade, reasons for decline. See, in these chapters we have to learn about the Harappan civilization. What happened? What is Harappan civilization? In that time, housing and town planning. In that time, seals and pots. Their bath, life of Harappan civilization, their trade and reason of their decline. Understand? Now see. First point, Harappan civilization. Archaeological excavations first began in 1921 CE. CE means Common Era at Harappan in the Punjab on the bank of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. It is also known as Hindu civilization. In 1921 CE, Harappan civilization, that where is this? Is that in Punjab, bank of river Ravi. That's why we know about his name. That is called Harappan civilization. It is also called Hindu civilization. See, 1921 CE में हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन जो है पंजाब में बैंक ऑफ रिवर रवि नदी के पास में था. उसको इसलिए हम लोग हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन बोलते हैं और उसको एक और नाम से जाना जाता है हिंदू सिविलाइजेशन. Exhibition were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 km to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. There was a striking resemblance between the remains of structures and artifacts found at the two places. Similar remains have been found at Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangaon, Daimabad, etc. See, at that time there was one also place is there, Mohenjo-daro, that one in south of Harappa, 650 km Indus Valley. There was lots of structures and artifacts found in two places. Similar remains have been found. Where we found Dholavira, Lathor, Kalibangan and Daimabad. वहाँ से ना ये जो अपना हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन है वहाँ से 650 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे इंदुस वैली में एक और वो था मोहनजोदारो. इन दोनों प्लेसेस पे जो है आर्टिफैक्ट्स जो थे, स्ट्रक्चर्स थे, सब मिल रहे थे और वो रिमेन्स हैव फाउंड एट. और बाकी सब कहाँ पे मिले थे हमें? धोलावीरा, लोथाल, कालीबागान और दाइमाबाद में. Generally, the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. These include town planning, roads, constructions of house, drainage systems, seals, pots, and toys and burial customs. See, generally the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. In Harappan civilization, there are same characteristic we see included town planning, roads, constructions of house, drainage system, seals, pots and toys and burial custom. वहाँ पे ना हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन में सारे जगहों पे आपको लगभग सेम ही ये मिलेगा, कैरेक्टर सेम विशेषता सबका सेम ही होगा, चाहे वो टाउन प्लानिंग होगा, चाहे वो रोड्स होंगे, चाहे वो कंस्ट्रक्शंस होंगे, कंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ हाउस होंगे, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम होगा, सील्स होगा, उनके पॉट्स होंगे, टॉयज, ये सारे लगभग सब जगह पे सेम ही थे। नाउ सी सेकेंड पॉइंट, हाउसिंग एंड टाउन प्लानिंग। The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. In some places, unbaked bricks and stones were also used for construction. The houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. The houses and wells, bathrooms and toilets. There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. The streets had covered drain with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. See, at that time Harappan civilization in Harappan civilization's houses made house with baked brick, but in some places there was unbaked brick. They used for making house unbaked bricks and stones. In their house there was lots of facilities, bathrooms, rooms, wells, lots of things, toilets. And one thing is plus point, their drainage system is very good. It's made by baked earthen causes, and streets also have covered with drains and built with bricks. This show great concern regarding public health, and this things shows how they concern to public health. See, उस टाइम पे जो हाउसेस होते थे ना हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन में, वो बेक्ड ब्रिक से बने होते थे, और उसमें जो है ना कुछ जगहों पे हाँ, बट कुछ जगहों पे अभी भी वहाँ पे जो है अनबेक्ड ब्रिक्स मिलते थे आपको, अनबेक्ड ब्रिक और स्टोन से बने हाउसेस मिले थे, बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम जो हाउसेस थे ना वो ब्रिक से बने, बेक ब्रिक से बने हुए थे, और उसमें हर रूम में जो है बड़ा सा कोर्टयार्ड होता था, उसमें रूम होता था, उसमें सारी फैसिलिटीज़ होती थी जो आज हमें हैं, इवन बाथरूम, टॉयलेट, वेल्स, हर एवरीथिंग, एंड देयर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम इज़ वेरी गुड, और उसको बहुत ही अच्छे से, वहाँ के ड्रेनेज सिस्टम को बहुत ही अच्छे से बनाया गया था। एंड स्ट्रीट जो थे, जो रोड्स थे, वो भी जो है साइड में पानी इसको ड्रेनेज करने के लिए उसको कवर करके बनाया गया था अच्छे से, और बहुत ही अच्छा था। ये सारी चीज़ें क्या शो कर रही थी कि उनकी जो है पब्लिक के लिए क्या जो है, उनका पब्लिक के हेल्थ के लिए वो कितना कंसर्न है, उनको कितना वो पब्लिक के हेल्थ के लिए कितना परेशान है, ये सब उनके उसमें दिखता था। The streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. Houses were built in the rectangular blocks created by them. See, at that time streets was broad and laid. Its pattern was grid pattern. Houses also built in a rectangular blocks that created by them. उस समय जो स्ट्रीट थे ना वो ब्रॉड होते थे और लेड से पूरा वो ये रहते थे, लेड आउट रहते थे, और वो ग्रिड पैटर्न में होते थे, और हाउसेस जो है वो रेक्टेंगुलर उसमें ब्लॉक्स में बनाए जाते थे जो कि उनके द्वारा खुद बनाए गए होते थे। The towns were divided into 2 or more sections, and each sections had separate fortification. See, the town At that time, towns are divided into two sections, two or more sections, and each sections, every sections have their own separate fortifications. उस समय पे जो टाउन्स होते थे ना, वो दो या दो से ज़्यादा पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किए जाते थे, और उनके सबके अपने अपने सेपरेट जो है फोर्टिफिकेशंस होते, सबके अपने अपने सारे रूल्स अपने सारे अलग अलग होते थे. नाउ थर्ड वन, seals and pots. The seals of the Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone called steatite. These seals were pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. and also of imaginary ones like the unicorn. Human figures are also seen. These seals were used as stamps. See, at that time now, see, today's coin at that time we call seals. Sorry. Seals, it means stamp. That time the Harappan civilization used square shaped seals. It's made of stone called steatite. These seals have, on that seal there was a picture of animals, real animals like buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. and imaginary pictures also on that seals like unicorn. Human pictures also there on that seals. It's used for stamps. Understand? उस समय जो सील्स होते थे ना हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन में, वो कौन से शेप के होते थे? स्क्वायर शेप के. और वो बनते किससे थे? वो स्टोन को क्या बोलते थे? स्टेटाइट. और ये सील पे कौन पिक्चर्स होते थे? एनिमल्स के, रियल एनिमल्स के. फॉर एग्जांपल बफेलोज होते थे, ऑक्सन होते थे, एलिफेंट्स होते थे, राइनोज होते थे, टाइगर्स होते थे. और ऐसा नहीं सिर्फ रियल एनिमल्स ही होते थे, उसमें इमेजिनरी भी होते थे. फॉर एग्जांपल यूनिकॉर्न एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स के भी पिक्चर्स होते थे. और वो सील्स को किस लिए यूज़ करते थे? फॉर स्टैम्प. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at that exhibitions sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. The earthen patterns included fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. See, at that time, earthen pots, various types of earthen pots and various types of various shape also we found in that exhibition and include in Harappan civilization. In that time, there are lots of types: red terracotta pots, patterns, and other with patterns and designs in black color. On that pot there was a red terracotta pots we called patterns and designs in black color. The patterns, what the patterns? Fish scales, interlocking circles and people leaves on that pots. They design. The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. Harappan peoples used earthen pots with their bodies like we use today. उस टाइम पे ना हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन ना पॉट बनाते थे डेड पर्सन के साथ में, और उसको लेके जाते थे वो बॉडी के साथ में. अंडरस्टैंड? Now the Great Bath. At that time, what is the bathroom? What the situation of bathroom? See, how's their bathroom? A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep. It was 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. It was lined with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. There were steps leading down to the tank. There was also a provision for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. At that time, bath was very spacious. Bathroom was very spacious, and that bathroom there was many facilities. There was tank, and in that tank 2.5 meter deep and 12 meter long and 7 meter broad. It was made by baked brick, and at that tank there was a steps for there we have to reach, and for draining, for cleaning the tank, for refilling the tank. उस समय का जो बाथरूम था ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेसियस था. उसमें जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ये स्पेसियस थे, सारे फैसिलिटीज़ थे. उस समय के जो ग्रेट बाथ थे उसमें 2.5 मीटर डीप जो है टैंक होता था और 12 मीटर लॉन्ग एंड 7 मीटर ब्रॉड. और उसको जो है बनाया किससे जाता था? बेक ब्रिक से, ताकि उसमें से लीकेज वगैरह कुछ भी ना हो. और जो है उसके वहाँ पे जाने के लिए टैंक के पास एक स्टेप्स रहते थे, स्टेप्स बने हुए रहते थे, ताकि हम लोग उसको जाके जो है ड्रेनिंग कर सकें, उसको क्लीन कर सकें, ड्रेनिंग कर सकें और रिफिल कर सकें वापस से. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ लाइफ इन द हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन. द हड़प्पन पीपल प्रैक्टिस्ड agriculture. The excavations at Kalibangan provides evidence of a plugged field. The people there grew different crops, mainly wheat and barley. In Rajasthan, barley was grown on a large scale, while in Gujarat it was ragi, peas, sesame and lentils that we call masoor were also cultivated. The Harappan people were also familiar with cotton. And see, in Harappan civilization there was a main occupation there was a occupation of agriculture. They also do agriculture, and it's in a Kalibangan. We know about that in Kalibangan's evidence. There was a plug field. At that time they grew different types of crops, and mainly in that time wheat and barley. And Rajasthan, barley is grown in a large scale, and in Gujarat and Rajasthan barley is grown in a large scale. At that time, ragi, peas, sesame, lentils, that masoors also cultivated. The Harappan people were also familiar with cotton, and Harappan people also know about the cotton. उस टाइम पे ना हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के लोग जो है एग्रीकल्चर का भी काम करते थे. ये हमको कहाँ पे मिला? कालीबंगान के जो एविडेंस मिले थे उसमें वो लोग डिफरेंट टाइप्स के क्रॉप्स ये करते थे, ग्रीव करते थे. वीट हो गया, उसमें बार्ली हो गया. और राजस्थान और गुजरात में बार्ली जो है बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में वो लोग उगाते हैं वहाँ. और हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन में रागी, पीस, सीसम, मसूर ये सब भी होता था. और उस टाइम पे वो लोग कॉटन की खेती भी करते थे, कॉटन का भी ये करते थे, कॉटन भी वो लोग ग्रीव करते थे, उगाते थे. The statue, the pictures on the seals and the remains of cloth found in the exhibitions indicate that the Harappan people used to weave cloth. At that time, statues, pictures, seals, they have clothes. At that time, found the clothes. It's indicate Harappan people used to weave cloth. The dress of both men and women consisted of knee-length cloth and an upper garment. See, of that time, statue, pictures, and seals and stamps. Seals are indicate that Harappan people used to weave cloth. Their dress at that time, dress was men and both men and women. What they have used to wear cloth, what type of they have used from knee to their clothes length was knee, down knee and upper garment. उस समय के जो स्टैचू थे और पिक्चर्स जो सील्स मिले हम लोग को, वो सब ने हमें क्या इंडिकेट किया है कि उस समय के हड़प्पन पीपल जो थे वो लोग क्लॉथ को वेव करते थे और वो उनके जो ड्रेसेस होते थे वुमेन और मेन के वो कैसे होते थे, नी लेंथ तक होते थे और अपर गारमेंट होते थे. मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ ornaments have been found in exhibition. They are made of gold, copper, precious stones, as also shells, cowrie seeds, etc. Men and women both use multi-strain necklace, rings, armlets and waistbands. Women wore bangles right up to their upper arm. See, उस टाइम नहीं, sorry. At that time, man and women both are used ornaments. That are ornaments made of gold, copper, precious stones, and shells. And causes sales. Both men and women both are wear necklaces, rings, armlets, waistbands, and women were wear that at that time wear bangles from right to upper arm. उस टाइम पे ना मैन एंड वुमेन दोनों जो है ना वो ऑर्नामेंट्स का यूज करते थे और वो ऑर्नामेंट्स बनते थे गोल्ड, कॉपर एंड प्रीशियस स्टोन्स. मैन एंड वुमेन दोनों नेकलेस, रिंग्स, आर्मलेट्स एंड वेस्ट बैंड्स एंड वुमेन्स पहनते थे एंड वुमेन जो है बैंगल्स पहनती थी अपने अपर आर्म तक. अंडरस्टैंड नाउ. A statue found at Harappan site presents an excellent specimen of their art. It shows the man's facial features very clearly. A clock with a beautiful trefoil pattern is draped across his shoulder. See, one statue found in that Harappan civilization that indicate that present their excellent art that shows in that statue a man facial expression shows clearly, cloak and a beautiful trefoil draped on his shoulder. उस समय ना एक स्टैचू फाउंड हुआ था हड़प्पन साइट पे जिसको जो है जो उनके जो आर्ट था उसका एकदम बोलते हैं ना एक्सीलेंट वो प्रेजेंट कर रहा था. एकदम सबसे अच्छा वो था कि उस आर्ट में ना वो मैन के फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस दिख रहे थे, वो जो उन्होंने ड्रेप करके जो है ट्री फॉइल करके ड्रैप करके अपने हाथों पे उन्होंने ये लिया था अपने शोल्डर से, वो सब वो पिक्चर में उनके दिख रहा था. नाउ वी हैव लर्न अबाउट दैट टाइम्स ट्रेड. The Harappan people carried on trade with India as well as with countries outside. The Indus Valley was known for its high quality cotton. This cotton was exported to other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe and Egypt. Cotton cloth too was exported. The traders of the Harappan civilization provided muslin cloth of Egypt, silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar, wood were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan and Balochistan. Trade was carried on both by land routes and sea routes. Some of the exhibited seals bear pictures of ships. A huge dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. In the trade of the Harappan civilization was carried on along the coastline of the Arabian Sea. See, the Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with countries outside. At that time, Harappan civilization, Harappan people trade in India and also outside of countries. द इंदूज वैली, उस समय जो हरप्पन पीपल थे वो इंडिया में ही नहीं, इंडिया के साथ साथ अदर कंट्रीज़ में भी, आउटसाइड कंट्रीज़ में भी ट्रेड कर रहे थे. द इंदूज वैली वॉज नोन फॉर इट्स हाई क्वालिटी कॉटन्स. एंड दैट टाइम इंदूज वैली नोन फॉर हिज हाई क्वालिटी कॉटन्स. उस टाइम पे जो है इंदूज वैली हाई क्वालिटी कॉटन के लिए भी जाना जाता था. This cotton was exported to their other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe and Egypt. Cotton cloth, see, and that Indus Valley that have great quality cotton, its trade, it's exported from other region, for example West Asia, Southern Europe and Egypt. Cotton cloth, and that time cotton cloth was exported also. At that time Harappan civilization's trade provided muslins cloth to Egypt. Silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar woods was items also imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan and Balochistan. Trade was at that time trade was carried both land and sea, land routes and sea routes. Some of at that time a huge dockyard in Lothal. And Harappan civilization's trade was carried along the coastline of the Arabian Sea. उस समय जो है ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें इंपोर्ट भी होती थी, एक्सपोर्ट भी होती थी जो है. और ये हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन का ट्रेड जो है ना वो कोस्टलाइन ऑफ अरेबियन सी तक था. अंडरस्टैंड हुआ लेसन? नाउ सी हियर योर होमवर्क. Write down the question answers in your sorry it's my mistake, sorry. Now last one, reasons for decline of the Harappan civilization. Frequent floods, invasions of foreign tribes, decline in trade was some of the reasons for the decline of Harappan civilization. Some regions became arid due to waking of monsoon, drying up of river basins, earthquakes, changes in sea levels, etc. People migrated to their place, leading to the decline of cities. The Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization. It laid the foundation of the Indian civilization. See what the reason of their decline. The Harappan civilization, it's related on natures. That times rivers dry, earthquake, floods, all the reasons for the decline of drying rivers, earthquakes, all things decline, reason of the decline of their cities. And because of the floods and other things, people migrate to urban civilization. Understand? Now देखिए, see, उस टाइम पे ना बहुत सारे नेचुरल होते थे. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लूड्स, अर्थक्वेक, वो जो है पूरा रिवर के साइड में ही थे. तो उस समय अर्थक्वेक, फ्लूड्स, ड्राइंग, नदियों का सूखना, ये सब रीजन की वजह से उनका जो है डिक्लाइन हुआ था. और इन सब वजह से पीपल वहाँ से माइग्रेट होने लगे और दूसरों जगह पे जाकर रहने लगे, और ये जो है चेंज होके अर्बन सिविलाइजेशन में आ गए. Now understand? Now do your homework. Write down these question answers in your textbook, in your notebook. Understand? Now we will meet in next lecture. Bye bye. Take care.